Hello everyone, this is Ashish Sani from Innovate Yourself. Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back with a new video on object-oriented programming with Python programming. In today's session, I'm going to show you, and in fact I'm going to explain you what exactly polymorphism is and how you can apply that in Python programming with classes and objects. So this is all that we will be covering in today's session. So let's straight go to the topic and let's understand what exactly polymorphism is and how we can apply that in Python programming. So let's get started. Alright, so what exactly polymorphism is? Simply, polymorphism is the concept that we can use in Python programming with the classes to create multiple methods with the same name in multiple classes. So in short, you can say you have two or you have multiple classes. In those multiple classes, you have multiple methods, and those methods are having the same name like you have in the first class. So similarly, this is the way how we are going to create multiple classes and multiple methods with the same name. So this is known as polymorphism. Now, how your Python programming is going to handle the same method name in multiple classes and how we will be able to access them. That is all that we will be covering in today's session. So let's see how to apply that with the classes and objects to access multiple methods from the multiple classes with the same name. So let's see that. First of all, let's create a new file, or let's create a new script so that we can see a complete demo for that, right? Now here what exactly I will be doing is I will be creating multiple classes. In those multiple classes I will be having multiple methods with the same name. So I will be explaining you but first let me just create the classes so that I can explain it to you. So let me just create it. Alright, so now you can see that I have two multiple classes. One class is class A, second class is class B. So one more thing, let me change it over here, class B, and this is B also, right? So this is the way how I have created two multiple classes. And in those two classes you can see demo is a method which is common, or you can say demo is a method which is having the same name in class A as well as in class B. Now if in case I will have to access that, then what should I do for that? So to do that, let me take an example. Let me just create two multiple objects for each of the class. So let's say obj1, and that will be created with respect to A, and obj2 that will be created with respect to B. So this is what I have created. Now let me just print all the methods from this. Let me just do all the things that I want to do over here. So for doing that, I will be using a for loop so that I can access all of them, right? For that, let's say obj in, and I will be accessing obj1 comma obj2. This is how I will be accessing that, and inside this what I will be doing, I will be simply printing, let's say not printing, I will be simply calling obj dot, and I will be calling demo from here, right? And I will not be calling intro, just because if I will be calling it in case of B, it will generate an error for us, right? So this is what I will be doing, or let's say to see this part also, let me just do one thing. For now I will be adding one method with the name intro, and let's say this will be from class B, right? So now I can add it like intro, right? So now if I will be running this method, or let's say if I will be running this loop over here, so you can see, you will be able to see the output for this, right? So you can see in here, firstly this and this is going to create the object for us, object A and object B created for each class. Similarly, now as per this, what I'm doing, this is a method of A class, this is an intro method of class A, as per the first iteration. Similarly, for the second iteration, this is the method of B class. This is the intro method of class B. So this is how I have created this. I have used the concept of polymorphism, and you can see here what we have. We have demo and intro method both in two different classes, but I am able to access all of them one by one, right? Doesn't matter whether we have the same name, but we are able to access that, and even we are able to use it. So this is the way how we can use this concept over here, right? So this is the way how we can use the polymorphism and how we can access the multiple methods from multiple classes, right? So this is first way of doing this, first way of using the polymorphism with the normal classes. Now if I will have to use the same concept with the inheritance, because currently what I'm doing is I'm creating two multiple classes, and for two multiple classes I'm having one class and second class, both are not inherited together, and in that case I'm just doing this. Now if I will have to do the inheritance and then I have to use the same thing, then what should I do? So this is all that I have to see now, and for that let me just do one thing. Let me just comment this complete, not complete, let's comment this much only, right? And over here, let's remove this because I don't want this to be added to the second one. And now I will be inheriting it with the first class, which is class A. And for more demonstration, what we can do, we can add one more class. Let's say this is class C, and that is inherited with class B. It's like I'm doing the multi-level inheritance, right? So this is what I'm doing, and again the demo, and this is of class C, right? So this is what exactly I'm doing right now. Okay, so this is all that I have done. Now what I will be doing is I will be creating the object for all the three classes, and based on that I will be doing it. Okay, one more thing, just shift it inside, otherwise we will have the indentation problem, right? Okay, let's create the object for that. Let's say a obj underscore a equal to a. Similarly, let's do it for this and this. It will be for B, it will be for C, B and C. So this is how I have created all the three different classes, or let's say three different objects for all the three classes. If I will run it now, you will see you will have the three different messages printed as per each of the method. So this is how we have this. Now after that, what next I have to do is I have to call the different methods. I will be calling the different methods from different classes, and just because now I have done the inheritance, now I will be able to see that how I can access all of them. So let's do it firstly with obj underscore a. So for this I will be calling this plus obj a dot demo. So I will be calling this first. After that, let me do it for the second one, for b dot intro obj b dot demo. Similarly, let's do it for C also. Right, so now let's see what will be the output. Now you can see as per each of the object of the classes which are inherited or which are not inherited, we are getting this response. And in fact, doesn't matter that whether we have the method with the same name or no, but we can access all of them. So this is the way how we can access the methods in multiple classes with the same name, right? So this is the way how we can use the concept of polymorphism in Python programming with classes and objects, right? So this is all about this. I hope now you have got a proper understanding that how you can use the concept of polymorphism with Python programming in classes and objects. So I hope everything is clear, but still if you're facing any difficulties in understanding the topic, or if you have any feedback for us, feel free to leave a comment below in the comment section. And also, if you have liked a video, then do click on the like button. If you are new to our channel and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button, and also you can press the bell icon if you don't want to miss any updates from our channel. So till then, bye bye and happy learning.